and welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, my name is AlvitaPatrice. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. And as you see in the title, I'm going to be doing another Ulta random haul. And if you are interested in what I purchased, then keep on watching. So before I get into the video, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. Give this video a like because it really does help out my channel. And leave a comment down below if you are a random shopper that picks up things that you probably don't need. So without further ado, let's see what I purchased. So the first thing that I picked up was this NYX Powder Puff Lippy, and this is what it looks like. And this color is in Squad Goals. I really like the way it feels. It almost feels like I have nothing on my lips. So this is the color and this is the applicator. It's just like a cushion, and it really does feel like powder, and you just squeeze it and you just rub it on your lips like this. And it feels very smooth, very creamy, and it really does not feel like I have anything on my lips. They have about 7 or 8 more shades, and I probably will go and pick up a couple more. The next thing that I picked up was the Can't Stop or Won't Stop setting powder, and this is what the packaging looks like. I did pick up the medium deep, as you can see there. Focus. I think this may be too dark because when you look at inside, it does look quite orange, quite red. I have not tried this on my face yet. If you have not seen my Who Needs Foundation, as I use the Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer as a foundation, I will link it in the cards above, and I also will link a link down to the video in the description bar. They have, I think, about 7 or 8 shades. The medium looked too light, and the deep looked way too dark. I will be trying this out with the foundation and the concealer, so please stay tuned for that video in the future. So I think this retails at like $14.99. So the next thing I picked up was the LA Girl Shady Slim Brow Pencil. Oops. And this is what the packaging looks like. And I always get the blackest black, and this is my Ride or Die brow pencil. One thing I don't like about using brow pencil is because it does take off brow hairs when you're like using like those brow hair strokes. But personally I don't have time to be using pomades, and I do own them. I do own the Anastasia brow dip brow. I don't use it as much because sometimes it dries out and sometimes it's too harsh of a line. But I really do like the pencil. There is a spoolie on one end, and I have not opened this, so I can't show you what it looks like. When I frequent Ulta, I get like 3 or 4 of those if they're on sale. If they're not, they only retail for $5.99, and that is an holy grail eyebrow pencil that I will always use. The next thing that I picked up was the Infallible 24 Fresh Wear Foundation, and this is what the packaging looks like. I did get the shade 510, and this is called the Hazelnut, which you can't see that. And I am wearing on my face today. It's very natural. It doesn't feel like I have foundation on my face. I think this is a tad too light when I was putting it on my face. I will give you a swatch. This is what the foundation looks like. Let me just rub it in. This is what the foundation looks like. It is really yellow, but I think once it's blended in, it does work quite well with my skin. I do have oily combination skin, and I did set it with the Fenty setting powder. Really like it. I'm gonna try it out a couple more times. It is a little bit liquidy, I must say, but overall I do like it. It is a medium to full coverage foundation, so you probably would have to add 2 or 3 layers to get that full coverage that some girls really love. The next item that I picked up was the Infallible Full Wear Concealer, and this is what the packaging looks like. And I picked up the color 410 in Amande. You can see that right there. And the applicator looks like the Too Faced applicator. It's really big and it covers a large surface, and it also looks like the Clinique foundation stick looks exactly like this as well. I have not tried that out yet, but I will be doing a Who Needs foundation and using that concealer as a foundation all over my face. It is a little light for my complexion, and this is what they both look like side by side. So yeah, but I'm really excited to try that. Leave a comment down below if you guys have tried it, and what are your thoughts about using the new Infallible 24-hour wear foundation. And the next thing that I picked up was the LA Girl Perfection eyeliner, and this one is in the color Tropical, and this is what the color looks like. And I also picked up the color Cobalt, and this is what they both look like side by side. I picked these up because they were on sale for one, and they were very vibrant in color. I thought they will be a great under eye waterline color, just for like a pop of color. And this is what they look like on my hand. So they are very creamy, so be careful when you are applying them on your eyes. The tip will break if it's too sharp and you're putting too much pressure. So just make sure that you're doing an even, smooth, light-handed swatch across your eyes, because it will break, as it did on me as I was swatching on my hand. And the last thing that I picked up was the NYX Swear By It eyeshadow palette, and this is what it looks like. I was not planning on picking this up. It was the last one on the shelf. As you know, Ulta has they have 3-tier shelvings down the aisle in their store, and they have new releases, featured items, and sale items along the center of their aisle floor. And this was there. I was not expecting to pick it up. I seen it online maybe around Christmas time, but I wasn't able to order it because it was sold out. And I really do love it. It's very, very pigmented. It is what I am wearing on my eyes right today, and it does retail for $35. And I will swatch the 3 colors that I have on my eyes today. And this is what the colors look like. This is only one swatch down. They are very pigmented. What drew me in was the yellow, the blues, and the olive metallic, which is right here. Very excited to use this palette. It is very pricey to be a NYX eyeshadow palette. I think this is the most expensive palette that they have launched to date. Don't quote me on that, but it is $35, which is kind of mid to where you can get some high-end palettes for like between $39, $49, $42. Some of those are some of the prices of higher end palettes. It is very pigmented, and it has an array of different colors and finishes, so you can get a very versatile looks from this palette. So I think it is very much worth your money. So yeah, that is everything that I randomly picked up from Ulta. Didn't have any idea that I was going to pick those up. So the only thing that I knew I was going to pick up was the setting powder for the Can't Stop Won't Stop, because I do have the foundation and the concealer. So yeah, I'm gonna end this video, but before I do, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a like. It does help me out greatly. And yeah, so thank you again for watching, and I will see you in my next video.